Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how we can produce the variance report. So for variance report, I'll just change the layout first. I'll just change this layout. Okay. Uh, Before I change the layout, I will just assign the baseline for it. So I'll go to the project. While we're assigning the baseline, we are going to update the program and find the variance in the program. So first I will maintain the baseline. I will add this program as a baseline. Okay, it should be here. 8 December is fine. Close. I will assign it a baseline. This I will remove this. I'll just delete this side. I will assign your current program at the baseline, which we have assigned it. This BOL1. Yes. Okay. Just check it. It's B1 and not is B1 is fine. I'll just change the layout for the update for now. I'll just go to column. I just want to start finish. I'll just save this layout first now. I'll just save it. Save layout. We'll write it on value update sheet update layout. This is my on value update layout. I'll just save it. Then I will just go to column. I just change it for updating program. I just terminate this one for now. I'll just write date BL1 BL1 finished variance. We are comparing the variance. So we need to find the variance duration. We are going to duration BL1 start date and BL finish date. Okay, then we can this fine for me. We are just going to find the variance of the and finish date in the program. So I'll just click in OK. Just bring it. There is no variance correct. We have not updated. So it's on May 1. So we'll take it to the where is May 1. I just want to keep here is May 1. I want to keep this spotlight on. I'll update it to May 7. May 7. Okay. Already update to May 21. Okay. May 21. I'll keep the data date May 21. Okay, just we'll see here. This is actualize. This is we also finish May 5. So we finish it into we're doing May 21. May 21. So I'll just keep it. We completed in 6. We completed 6. Actualize. And let's see there. By the first, I want to highlight by the spotlight. You can find the activities which you need to update it. If you see here, okay. By updating, you can find the variance. So I'll just show you in first. So in the this one is done. It's updated. So no any activities need to be updated. So if you go, this one need to so it's May 5 to we are going to 21. So I'll finish it to going 17th July and I will write here 40% is complete. You need to put expected finish to hold the date. So which I have shown in my previous video about it. Then if you go to the down, then if you see here May 21, so this is completed on May 5 and this is actualized. Yes, if you go here 2nd May and we're 21 May, so it will go to it will finish in 27 May and we have completed 70% of its work. To hold the date, we are keeping the expected finish date. It will calculate the remaining duration in the activities. So if you go down, here is nothing we need to update. Here is, so it's 10 May, it is finished. I'll just complete it. Here 10 May is started. It will not finish in just I'll keep it 20th October and I finish that 15-30% of work is complete. You find here this is completed. I will mention it. This is 6 May to 2nd August. 2nd August you will find that 10% is completed and date will remain same for us, and site clearance it is April, July, May. So I'll finish that 20%. So I'll write here it will go to this 8 July and it will have completed 40% only. So after I change it to schedule it to the will keeping the data date 21. So I'll just keep it 21, select data date and schedule it. Yeah, you can find the variance now. To create the variance report, now we are going to do filter. Just click here filter and we'll make a new filter. We'll variance report or sir I'll write report just only variance report. I'll write here where BL. You need to understand how we need to calculate. So just I'll go to the variance, just make it this parameter little big, just big. I just want to make here, sorry, here variance b1 variance bl1 start date is not equal to 0. It's not equal to 0 and also and variance bl in state is not equal to 0. Any of the conditions should be satisfied. All no, we just write any one of the, if any one of these is satisfied, then that is variance in our project. So if we apply it and we'll click OK, you can see here there is variance, and this is the variance you have in your project. You can find variance by this way. Just want to fill, just I will change the filter. If you want to do and both, then we can find modify here and all of the followings. Then if we apply it, then you will find the variance. It's not showing here, but there is slightly variance in the project. So if here is something you cannot see it's coming 0, but I can show you here in the BL1 start date. If you go to BL start date, BL finish date, I'll just keep it here. BL start date, I'll just keep it down. Finish date, wide. Okay. See here is 15 May 11, 17 July. We just want to, I think, user preference. I want to add the time, date also. Just I'll just add 20 hours. I'll write here. Close. We see here. Just remove bleed. We see here 17 July 11 10:40 July 10:40. just check my filter. Variance report modified is not equal to, sorry, I just forgot to mention here 0 0. So if you need to apply this one, any one of the following, is if you apply it, then you can see variance report here. So during this video there was some, you can see that in my initial I haven't kept the zero duration, so it was showing the both one. So you need to keep it, it's not equal to 0, which I forget to keep in my in my filter, that cause that was showing the 0 duration activities also. And in this way we can create the filter and find out the activities which variance is not equal to 0, and this will help it. So I have made a one mistake during my video, so hope you understand how we need to do this filter. Thanks for watching this video. So in the next video we'll discuss, I will discuss another how trick. So wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching this video. You have a good day. Bye.